vil gerne være lookalike.
Okay.
Really?
Så laver vi nogle lookalike plans for jer.
Monica, hun har nogle lookalikes, hun kender, som har et bureau.
Can you spot a lookalike in every person?
Yeah, I can. We've done this 1,000 times before and we can do it again. We are going to transform these girls into lookalikes and help them get work.
Vi skal lave kassen på at være lookalikes.
Hey.
Mark Hamill.
Yeah.
Luke Skywalker. Selveste Luke Skywalker. Mark Hamill går ind på restauranter, det er bare det, hvor jeg tænker...
Stadsagtigt.
Vi har nok forestillet os sådan en kæmpe hal, ikke? Med bling-bling, og hvor der bare hang Elvis og Brad Pitt og sådan noget.
Hi, how can I help you guys?
Is this the lookalike agency?
Oh, yeah. Monica sent you?
Yeah.
Oh, come in. I'm the
Hi.
lookalike lady, and I guess that's why you guys are here.
It is.
It is.
So tell me about how I can help you.
Yeah,
Yeah, we were just thinking maybe you could help us out. We want to become lookalikes. Is this the place we're gonna do it?
I am the #1 Madonna double in Hollywood, and I've
Oh.
written 2 lookalike books. So if anybody can help you with this project, I'm the girl.
Vi banker på hos Lookalike Agency, kvinden, som åbner døren og ligner... ja, jeg ved sgu ikke, hvad hun ligner, men hun var vildt sød.
I run my agency here.
Yeah.
And I have a little surprise if you guys want to follow me. I have extra help today.
Sure.
Okay.
Come on in.
Oh my God.
To help us out.
Hi,
This is Lissa.
I'm Linda. Hi, I'm Christina.
Hi, how are you?
Og så kommer vi ind i stuen, og der sidder Cher. Altså, det er jo bare en vild dag. Darth Vader og Cher og Madonna på en og samme dag.
De lever af at lave lookalikes. Og de har selv klædt sig ud, faktisk, så de er fuldstændig som snydt ud af næsen, lige 2, der har klædt sig ud.
You guys are lookalikes?
We want to be.
So we thought maybe you could help us out.
We've done this 1,000 times before, and we can do it again. We are going to transform these girls into lookalikes and help them get work.
And you work together?
Oh yeah, Bella and I work together. As a matter of fact, the first ever gig I ever did as Cher, I met Bella.
And you always knew that you were Madonna and Cher?
I sang like Cher, so I had friends that would say, why don't you try to do it? But I didn't want to do it. But then I eventually learned it's a good thing to do because you guys can make a lot of money.
A lot of money.
Yeah.
Well, like a lot of money.
You can make between $300 and $600 for your first hour,
That's
and
here.
then more. And if you go and perform in a, if you do a performance, you can make $3,500, $4,500 for the night.
$1,200, tror jeg, for et gig, hvis man laver sådan 3 sange, ikke? Og der er ikke noget, vi ikke kan på den konto. Vi kan jo synge og danse og spille skuespil.
På trommen, hvis det er det.
Ja. Can you spot a lookalike in every person?
Yeah, I can. Oh my God, you look perfect.
Og hun siger, sig nu lyden. Og jeg siger til hende, jeg har ikke lyst til at sige lyden. Så er jeg bare nødt til at sige lyden.
We're gonna be so rich, right?
De 2 komikere Linda P. og Christina Sederqvist er taget til Hollywood for at blive stjerner. Og det skal ske på 1 uge.
Vi skal ind til Lookalike Agency og finde ud af, hvem vi ligner.
We are going to transform these girls into lookalikes and help them get work.
Darth Vader og Cher og Madonna på en og samme dag. But have you ever met Cher and Madonna?
I have met Cher, but not when I was dressed like Cher.
Would you like
That
to?
would be horrible.
It would be horrible.
No,
Why?
I would not want to do that. And I'm really good at what I do, so I think she would appreciate it. And I know she knows who I am because she keeps tabs on who does her and stuff like that. On the other hand, there's so many crazy people that do this that I wouldn't want her to think, oh, I'm just a crazy person that walks around dressed like Cher all the time. That would be awful, because it's how I earn my living. So I take it seriously.
But did you meet Madonna?
Yeah, I've actually worked with her a couple times.
Okay.
So I've done like body part stand-in. And the second time I actually did a commercial for MTV where I was Material Girl. And it's like the last costume I wanted to look like. But we were told, don't look at Madonna. We signed 10 pages of a contract. Don't look at her. Don't walk towards her. So I was like this the whole time, too scared to even look at her.
Oh, no.
But she walked past and she said, looks good, looks real good. And that was my big Madonna moment.
Okay.
But she knows. I think most people know, like Lissa and I both were actors first.
But could it be a good career move for us to be impersonators first and then have a big career?
Well, they're two separate things. I was an actor, and I thought I would rather, eat glass than be an impersonator. But when you see how it keeps you busy and you perform in front of thousands and thousands of people, you realize it is your own career.
And is it always good? Because in Denmark, when I do stand-up, I don't know what I'm coming out to, Right. It can be a gala with the happy people, and it could be 3 drunk gardeners.
Yes.
And it's, do you experience
every time
the shitty jobs?
Oh yeah.
De siger, at der er også lortejobs, men det er sådan noget, man må tage i starten. Men dem tænker jeg, mig og Christina springer over. Altså, vi har ligesom... vi har været alt det der igennem, så vi hopper bare til sagen og tjener penge.
How long would you go to look like the character you're impersonating? If, for example, Madonna had a nose job, would you go do the same?
I think you can do it all with makeup and wigs. I'm a firm believer.
Yeah, you really have to study. Like when I first started doing Cher, seriously started doing Cher, I worked out every morning with Cher's exercise video. Because she was just sort of being Cher, going, okay, doing her stuff.
Yeah.
And I just kind of watched all the way she moved.
Do you know anyone who would go to extreme length to look like somebody?
Too far?
There was a famous Marilyn that killed herself in London.
Oh my God.
Yeah, back in the 90s.
There are people in our business that we know that have had nose jobs.
Yeah.
To look a lot.
Or that never come out of character.
People get crazy. Like there was a Jack Nicholson impersonator I was working with once, and we flew to San Francisco. The whole way on the plane, he's pissed off because he wasn't being flown first class. We get in the cab, we go to the hotel, he's not happy with the hotel. He's not happy with his room. I can't believe people are treating me like this. And I pulled him over and I said, guess what, dude? You're not Jack Nicholson.
Yeah.
Jack Nicholson is Jack Nicholson.
Yeah.
You're lucky and you're making a few dollars off of this guy, but knock it off because you're crazy. Snap out of it.
I was thinking maybe if you were a real celeb, it would be nice to just browse around the Hollywood Boulevard because no one would think it was you.
Do you know the story of Charlie Chaplin?
No.
And when he entered his own lookalike contest and lost?
No.
Yeah. The real Charlie. Yeah, the real Charlie entered a contest and they were like, no. He
You're
lost.
just not too...
Oh my God.
You're not Charlie enough.
That's so funny.
Because that's the part of the impersonation, is a little bit over the top. And that's what people expect. So for you guys, when you find out who you're going to do, bring it to life a little bit over the top.
I want to be Ricky Martin, maybe.
Yeah.
Might be good if you stick to your own sex.
There are those.
Yes?
There are those.
There are. There's a
You're not
couple of
gonna work
girls
as
that
much.
do Charlie Chaplin and girls that do Michael Jackson.
I saw a girl, Michael Jackson. He was a little chubby.
Yes.
Hollywood Boulevard is sort of freaks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it seems like. But Darth Vader is cool.
It's not too hard to be Darth Vader.
Yeah.
Can you spot a lookalike in every person?
Yeah, I can.
You can?
I can.
That's so cool.
I think I have that knack. I have a couple of things that we could try on you. I'm looking at your face to try to think.
I look like a lot of people, I think.
Yeah, I
Who do
think
you think you
could.
look like?
Would you be willing to take your hair down so I can try to
no problem.
see some... The hair is like 80%. Yeah, very beautiful. I see a lot of like Hollywood starlet.
Starlet.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Bella, hun synes bare, at jeg har alle muligheder i verden, og jeg kan faktisk være alt, hvad jeg vil, og jeg har bare sådan et ansigt, der altid vil være smukt, uanset hvad jeg gør. Hun er helt vildt sød.
I think do you know
a little Britney.
What he's called? The big guy with the blonde hair.
Fabio.
Yes, Fabio.
Fabio. No, I see Marilyn. I see...
Could I be Fabio?
No.
I think I could be Johnny Depp because I'm cool.
I think it would be better for you to stick to your own gender.
So I could be Britney Spears, Courtney Cox maybe? Or Cher. Could I be Cher? Der bliver de alle sammen lidt stille. Fordi jeg tror, at det er sådan med mig, at jeg har bare mange ansigter. Ikke? Så jeg tror, at mulighederne ligesom vælter ud af hovedet på dem. Så de er sådan lidt... Jeg tror, de leder lidt efter ord.
Well, Cher. No, not really. No.
You know, it'll hit us, I think. What if, I have an idea, what if we just...
Go look at some costumes or
Let's
something.
put you guys in some costumes,
cool.
try to get some ideas. Maybe
Get
we
some
can...
costumes.
You have the costumes here?
Yeah, you guys come follow me. I'll take you to my costume warehouse.
So cool.
Okay. I'm gonna head out.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Nice
so
to meet you.
Great to meet you.
And maybe
Nice
next
to meet
time
you.
I'll see you, I'll be Cher, like you. Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Have a great job. Have a great day.
Bye.
All right, girls, stand back.
Yeah.
If we can't find something in here, then we just can't find it.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Oh my God.
Okay, girls, so this is my room of fun. If you're feeling fancy, you girls can sit in a life-size champagne glass.
Oh, what's that?
This is where my showgirls sit and serve champagne to Hollywood parties.
Oh.
We just did the Beverly Hills Housewives show.
Yeah.
And we've got movie-themed costumes. We've got showgirls back there.
Det kunne vi også godt
Wigs,
Yeah, I could be a showgirl,
We
right?
could be showgirls.
I think you could be a good showgirl.
Yeah, I think so too.
Right? So cigarette girl trays, you know, like
But
the 1940s.
I smoke, you know, so I could be a cigarette girl.
Cigarette girls usually have
Legs.
Long
she,
legs.
She has legs.
Let's keep thinking. Maybe if we go over to that side where the wigs and the hats, maybe we
Yeah.
can get some ideas.
Sure.
Og fjer.
Feathers, yep.
Ej, hvor er det fint.
Okay.
Og det er fuldstændig ligegyldigt, om vi er Cher eller Elvis, eller hvad vi er. Så tænker jeg, at vi kan naile det, ikke?
Du kan have den her på.
Ja, det er fint.
Marilyn Monroe wig. Marilyn, pop that on. Let me see what you look like as a shorter blonde. Ah, you know what?
That's pretty.
You have a good face for Marilyn.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Prøver rigtig mange kostymer, eller jeg gør. Linda, det er svært at finde på noget, hun passer til. Og Madonna synes, vi skal finde noget, hvor vi kan være i par.
Oh, could I try this? This is so cool.
Og det er lige dig.
Yeah.
Rastaman.
Who would you be?
We could be Cheese and Chong.
Bob Marley, you know.
Bob Marley.
Wow.
Do you think I could be like George Clooney or Harrison Ford?
I'm not feeling it at all.
No.
I'm
You
sorry.
know what? Darth Vader
can't-
told me I should be Princess Leia.
Wait.
What about Brad Pitt? Oh, could I be Brad Pitt?
If we should be a couple, then she could maybe be... Oh, that's Leia.
Oh, that's so cool.
Look.
Oh, cool.
Oh, it's so cool.
Og det viser sig, at jeg skal være præcis som Darth Vader forudså. Prinsesse Leia.
I think we can make this work.
Okay, so we should be Star Wars figures.
I think, and I have an idea. You put this on.
Yeah?
What can I be?
Come over here.
Okay.
I got a perfect idea. Close your eyes. I think we found it, you guys. It's gonna be perfect.
Elvis Presley?
You're gonna love this. Hollywood, here we come. Open. Yes. Star Wars. Perfect.
Men altså, jeg fik sådan et Chewbacca-kostyme, ikke? But we were supposed to be a hot couple, you know.
She's gonna be really
I'm
hot.
gonna be hot, and you're gonna be hot too.
You're gonna be different kind of hot.
Det synes hun var pisse morsomt. Men det er jo klart, hvis man selv er så underbemidlet, at man er nødt til at mobbe andre mennesker. Det er der ikke noget at sige til, hvis der er to mennesker, der starter foran spejlet om morgenen og tænker, at vi skal være Madonna og Cher og ender op med at ligne to Beatles-medlemmer, så kan man godt blive lidt bitterfissen.
Look, your beautiful green eyes will show right through those holes.
But the rest...
This costume is gonna be perfect. Trust me, I know these things.
Linda, gør det nu bare.
This is perfect. Trust me. Perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna try it on for 2 minutes, okay?
Yay!
You guys are gonna rock it. Trust me.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Hollywood, here we
Det er
come.
skide godt, Linda.
Woo!
Ikke?
Yeah.
Vi kommer til at blive rige nu.
Jeg troede bare, hun var bedre til sit arbejde, men obviously så var hun en eller anden praktikant.
Oh, turn around. Oh my God, you look perfect. Gorgeous.
It's so cool.
Oh my God, you look awesome.
You like it?
I think you look perfect. Your face is, everything is perfect. I love
I feel
it.
like a princess, but I am.
Jeg synes, Christina lignede på en prik, faktisk. Jeg synes, det var rigtig godt lavet. Så skulle jeg jo bare have været skib og skræk, så det passede godt til Olivia, ikke? Men nej, vi skulle lave...
So.
Kom ud, Linda.
Linda.
No,
Come on, Linda.
Linda.
I don't feel like it.
Jo, kom nu.
But this is stupid, okay?
Men du lignede da fuldstændig.
Det er flot. Det er rigtig flot, Linda.
Det magter man simpelthen næsten ikke der.
I think it's gonna work.
Kom.
But I was supposed to be George Clooney, you know.
You can be George Clooney inside.
Yeah. Your inner Clooney.
Yeah.
Your eyes look amazing. They really look beautiful.
Ja, det er rigtig
The
pænt.
eyes and the hat is a perfect touch.
Jeg synes, det er rigtig flot, Linda.
I like it.
Ja.
You like it?
I like it.
Well, I don't like it.
Det er altså rigtig flot kostume.
Looks very Chewbacca-y.
Chewbacca, that's the problem, okay?
But a professional Chewbacca. Jeg tror bare, man skal tænke på, hvad der ligesom sælger. Og det har hun jo forstand på. Så synes jeg, altså, det er jo bare at
påstod,
gøre
at hun ville gøre det, der var bedst for mig.
Ja, og det gjorde hun også. Prøv en gang. Prøv ind i feelingen. Og så sig som Chewbacca.
Drop det.
Du bliver nødt til at sige det, Linda. Fordi ellers så kommer du aldrig til at føle dig som Chewbacca. Kom nu. Lyden.
Og jeg siger til hende, jeg har ikke lyst til at sige lyden. Og hun siger, sig nu lyden, sig nu lyden. Og står og hopper og danser og siger, så gør jeg noget for dig, hvis du siger lyden. Så er jeg bare nødt til at sige lyden.
Kan du mærke det? You're such a good Chewbacca. Try to say it again. We're gonna be so rich.
Jeg bliver bare nødt til at gøre det lækkert på en eller anden måde, fordi nu skal vi ud og tjene penge. Så jeg tænker, hvis jeg bare kører et par lækre strofer fra Patsy Cline eller sådan noget, så skal jeg nok redde den hjem.
You know, you guys, let me get on the phone with a couple agencies and see if I can start
Der kan du bare se, Linda.
I just need a few days and then see what I can do, guys.
Today. We've got to work today.
Guys,
You can get us a job. Listen to her.
The only gig I'm going to get you guys today, you will not want to do.
Vi var enige om, at vi skulle have æren i behold. Kom over til LA, blive berømte på den rigtige måde. Jeg står ude for en fiskeforretning i pels. Altså lad nu være.
Det er bare indtil vi får nogle penge.
Men det var bare det sidste, jeg skulle. Det var bare at havne som fucking Chewbacca i LA. Altså.
Det var dig selv, der sagde, at du var ligeglad med, hvilken job vi skulle lave. Du skulle nok gøre det. Det er dig, der brugte alle pengene.
Undtagen det her. Det er ligesom det, ikke? Det er det eneste, jeg gider.
Tænk på pengene.
Ja.
Var det ikke... Det var sgu da ham der fra Star Wars, ham der Luke Skywalker.
Nej, han er sgu da ikke så gammel. Han har heller ikke Hawaii-skjort på.
Det er det altså. Jeg tror ikke, jeg kan kende min egen bror. Det er ham. Det er ham.
Er det det?
Det er ham. Vi bliver nødt til at gå derind.
Ej, hvor er det... Han vil jo elske de her kostymer.
Det.
Ej, hvor er det fedt.
Ej, det er for sindssygt.
Ja. Selvfølgelig. Jamen lige pludselig så ser vi selveste Luke Skywalker, Mark Hamill, går ind på restauranter. Det er bare det, hvor jeg tænker, det er det fedeste, der kunne ske i hele verden.
Yeah, I can wait, but I'd like to get this done. Hey there.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, no, well, listen,
Don't want to interrupt.
you know what? Let me call you back.
Yeah.
Because they probably just want a signature or something. Yeah, okay. You gonna be at the same number? All right. Talk to you later. Oh, okay. Hi.
Hi. Mark Hamill?
Yeah.
Luke Skywalker, that's you?
Well, that's who I played, yeah.
Can you see who I am?
I can see who you are.
Who?
And you're a Wookiee.
And Chewbacca.
Yeah, well, Chewie was a Wookiee. That was the species he was.
Yes, isn't that cool?
Well, yeah, I mean, you've taken the extra step in beyond just enjoying the film to actually dressing up as a character in the film.
Yeah.
So I've got to give you props for that.
Jeg vidste, jeg skal op til at blive Wookiee. Wookiee. Hvad? Wookiee. Mark Hamill.
Nej, dig. Du er en Wookiee.
Can I help you in some way? I mean, you don't have autograph books. You don't want
You know
autographs?
what? We are working too, you know. We are actors. We're famous in Denmark.
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
We're not just fans.
No.
We're doing
Are
this
you
for-
as famous as Victor Borga?
Yeah.
Yes.
We are
You are?
serious, serious actors.
Now I'm impressed.
And
Yeah,
now we're gonna
right.
make it over here. We're gonna get famous here, and we met this.
We're gonna be as big as you.
Lookalike agency.
A lookalike agency, you can only go so far. I mean, in Denmark, don't you play all different kinds of parts?
We do.
Yeah, we can do it all. We're character players, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So we just have to have a little practice and adjust to the city, and yeah, we thought this would be a good start, you know.
Det er bare fedt at få den mands respekt, synes
Det er
jeg.
fedt at få anerkendelse fra selveste Luke, ikke?
Yeah.
You know, you're so cool, you know.
Yeah, it's so nice running into you.
You know what?
Yeah.
Do you know who we met on Hollywood Boulevard today?
Who did you meet?
Darth Vader. Did you know he was black in real life?
I didn't know he was on Hollywood Boulevard. He sounds like he's fallen on hard times.
Yeah,
I think
I don't
so.
know if it's the career, you know, went a little bit down for him. Maybe. It's not like you can just go and go and go.
He looked very young, actually.
You're kind of typecast with a face like that. So he's got to get out of that outfit, you know. I don't understand how lookalike characters can be a springboard to a fulfilling career. I mean, that's why I'm thinking, wouldn't you rather be stars in Denmark than lookalikes in the U.S.?
Yeah, you're right. We're not gonna do that. It was just, you know, for fun.
Yeah,
So you don't think we can go anywhere?
Well, it's not that so much. I mean, obviously, that guy that's playing Darth Vader on Hollywood Boulevard, he's getting paid something.
Yeah.
But I mean, there's not a lot of room for career expansion. It just seems to me that in Denmark, you know, you were famous, actresses, playing all different kinds of roles. I mean, this is kind of a step down when you think of it. I mean, if you're a lookalike, that's pretty much all you can do.
So you're stuck in that?
I would think so. Why would you want to be stuck as a Wookiee and a princess?
But you know what?
Typecast.
We went to this.
I love the fact that you're worried about being typecast in that outfit.
Talking about the typecasting, aren't you, you know, sometimes, you know, Star Wars is so unbelievably big. Aren't you afraid to get locked up in the Star Wars?
Well, I don't know. I've sort of, I think, put it in perspective in my life.
Yeah.
Like I say, I don't really carry it around with me.
Sometimes I think maybe you can have too great success, you know, like the Star Wars movies, and it's still what people remember.
Well, you know, like anything in life, there's positives and negatives. Sometimes it's great. Other times, not so much. I didn't get into this specific expecting I'd be remembered for anything. And at least those movies are positive influences. Children like them. They're optimistic. They're uplifting. There's a spiritual element. So, you know, it's better than being known for, you know, being a horrible...
A lookalike.
Or a killer, or as something that has a negative. What if I was famous for playing Charles Manson or Adolf Hitler?
Yeah.
See, I wouldn't want that. Luke Skywalker, I mean, comparatively, it's better than Adolf Hitler. Let's all agree on that.
Knowing what you know now about the popularity and the paparazzis and everything,
Right.
would you do the same now?
I don't have any regrets. I just try to make the most of what I have and not be unhappy with what I don't have. That's a good philosophy for everyone.
Yeah.
That's what you should do.
People love Luke Skywalker.
Yeah.
Don't you sometimes just want to, you know, scream your fans in your head because you got so many Luke Skywalker fans? You know?
Well, no, you try and count, you know, count your blessings. I mean, I do a lot of work that's not Star Wars related. I do a lot of voiceover work for cartoons.
Oh, cool.
Do you know I've been the Joker for 20 years? Okay.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Who is the coolest, the Joker or Luke Skywalker?
The Joker is insane.
Yeah, I love that.
And if you're insane, you're unpredictable. And if you're unpredictable, you're never boring.
Oh! Is there any fans that are like going too far? Being annoying?
Let me see if I can think of an example of that. Nothing really comes to mind. I mean, you're not going to follow me home and camp outside my house, are you?
Okay.
Because
okay.
No, I'm not suggesting that. I'm just saying there's a fine line between admiration and delusional, psychotic stalker behavior. I mean,
yeah, absolutely. We have the problem all the time.
You do?
People are stalking us back in Denmark. And, yeah, that's why we have to start.
And you don't want that anymore. I mean, you go to the grocery store, people want to stop and talk to you.
Take pictures.
Yeah, sure.
You sit down and eat, and people will just come over and just ask
pretend
questions.
like they know us.
Yeah, like they're friends with us or something like that.
Gee, it's hard to imagine.
Yeah. Yeah. But this success as Luke Skywalker, that will follow you, you know, is that hard or amazing?
A little of both. Certainly, it's created a lot of memorable experiences in my life. Like right now, I have to be honest with you, I do like to keep a low profile.
Yeah.
I don't like to draw attention to myself.
No, that's
and
so
sitting
annoying.
here with you is really not helping that.
So, you want to see what I can do, you know? Look at
Isn't
me.
that something? And I love the little hat.
Yeah,
That's really...
Prøv at lave lyden lidt.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
You know what? Actually, we should do the scene for him.
The scene, yeah.
You prepare the scene.
You know,
It's because I want
you're
to be
in the new Star Wars, right?
I want to be in a
That's what they
romantic
tell
comedy.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So,
You're going to do a scene for me, are you?
This is from
This is from Star Wars, the romantic comedy.
This is all original, is it?
Yeah, it's our original material.
All right.
Are you ready, Mark?
Yes, I'm ready.
Og vi laver den her scene for ham, som vi bare, altså ud af luften, bare improviserer.
Han kan godt lide, at vi har så stort et skuespillertalent.
Oh, I'm so sad. I don't know. Who is that? Chewbacca, my long lost friend. It's been so long, and you are so short now.
Altså, han er faktisk tom for ord, kan man godt sige. Han er lidt blank, altså, fordi han ikke rigtig ved, hvad han skal sige.
Don't be annoyed, don't be upset. Don't throw my rose on the ground. Don't do that. Oh, you're shitting on me, Chewbacca. Don't do that. Yes. And sing.
Wow.
What did you...
Wow.
Have you seen anything like it?
I can honestly say I've never seen anything like that. I mean,
So cool.
that was remarkable.
Han er meget imponeret, ikke, da vi spiller scenen, og han sidder bare og klapper begejstret bagefter, og jamen altså, det er bare fedt at få den mands respekt.
You know, even better, if you join the scene, Mark, you can do a scene with us,
Yeah.
you know?
You know,
You can be my
I
brother.
don't know. I mean,
yeah, my brother.
I'm a little too old to play
No,
Luke.
you know
what would be good for this part?
lightsaber and you can fight.
Yeah.
Chopsticks as lightsaber. I don't know if it would really work. Come on.
Everybody loves you.
The thing is, I feel really awkward now because I really have to go, and I want to wish you all the success in the world. You could fall back on your careers in Denmark. That's what I would
You
do.
could join the scene, Mark.
Why wouldn't you want to be famous in Denmark instead of just a couple of nobodies here in Los Angeles? No, listen, I want to wish you all the luck in the world, but I got to meet with a guy. Thanks, ladies.
Han har et eller andet job, tror jeg, han skal videre på, og vi er jo også i gang med vores karriere, så vi er sådan lidt, you do your thing, we do our thing.
Nice meeting you, really.
Yeah.
Bye-bye now.
Mark, please. Luke Skywalker, lad være at træde på min fod, din idiot. Mark! Godt.
You know, nobody makes it in a week. It was a good try.
Vi er ikke færdige, Monica.
Jeg tror, at Hollywood har nemmere ved at tage en alvorlig, hvis man... Movie.
Trailer, the movie.
Han var ikke inde i det fra starten, men man kunne mærke, at han ville gerne høre mere.
What about commercials, the movie?
About Mark Hamill? Please let him know that they are huge fans and they would never offend him in any way. Like, he is really an amazing icon to them and to me. I don't want you ever to feel bad. I'm so sorry. Thanks for calling.